Watching one Google ad, you can earn $1.20. Watching 10 Google ads, you can earn over $12. And regular people like you and me are withdrawing over $2, $6, and even over $10 per minute watching Google ads. So like this video and let's start with the first step, which is to come to this brand new website where you can watch Google website ads and earn money watching them. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute. But as you can see, this site has already paid over $7 million to its users. They have over 4.8 star ratings on Google from over 5,000 real users around the world. So you can trust this website. This Google Ads website is available worldwide. So you can be from any part of the world and still earn money with it. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more relevant videos for you and others watching from your country. Now, the name of this website is the swashapp.io. You can search for the Swash app on Google, or you can just come to the URL swashapp.io and you will be taken to its homepage. Today, I will be sharing a bonus trick with you that's going to help you 10x your earnings on Swash app. So stay tuned until the end. As you can see, they already have over 300,000 people earning money on Swash app, and it's also completely free to use it. So you don't have to spend any money, and you can get paid to watch those Google ads for free. All you have to do is to watch the Google website ads, and you will get paid for watching each Google ads. You will earn points for watching Google ads that you can later redeem in the form of gift cards, cash, or in crypto. You can earn anywhere from a few cents up to $1.20 per Google ad you watch depending on your country. As you can see, Swash app is available in more than 200 countries around the world, so you can make money from any part of the world. Not only that, they let you withdraw your earnings in many different payment methods right here, like the PayPal, Google Play gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and in different cryptocurrencies like the Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if none of these payment methods are available in your country, you can directly get paid into your bank account using the Visa debit card. So even if PayPal is not available in your country, you can still get paid here. Now, the step number 2, to start earning money for watching Google ads with Swash app. All you have to do is to click on this Get Swash button right here. That's going to take you to the Google Chrome web store, where you can see that they have over 5,000 positive reviews. And you just need to click on Add to Chrome to add the Swash app extension. Now, click on the Add extension, and the Swash app extension will be added to your browser. After that, you will be taken to this page where it says, "Are you new to Swash?" Select yes. I am new here and I want to